Hi guys, let's play Murder Mystery 2. But they lasers. A candy too. It's super sour. This candy called lightsabers. It's actually sour. I hate this one candy. I'm gonna eat some more candy. It's a plastic, come on. We have Skittle gummies. Why this is my favorite. Skittles gummies. This is actually my favorite. Let's cut it with this thing. So hard. My gosh, it looks like real and Skittles. Someone is on the door. What is that? Bro. Whatever. You can just get some code here. You have to. This code bar is right here for this thing. I'll show you why. I'll get thing. And this is the things I just got these. I got a heart blade and the blossom. And the blossom thing. Sakura or blossom, I think. Ice drink. Anyways, I'll get these things. Oh, where's my gun? Why they're sitting together? How did they just get the flower thingy? Wait, it must be free. I'll go on the marketplace. Before we play that later, when I after see that thing, I will not go to there. But first we're gonna change our dresses. Wait, candy, okay. Hi. Head. Huh? Oh my gosh. Kailangan ko candy dito. Lahat.
Ay, yung kalat mo, ha? Yang, ha? Ay! Ano ba yan? Sabi ko, di ba, huwag ka magkakalat? Ina!